Bringing on for Fish, I got one 2016 Bowman Baseball HTA Jumbo Hobby Box live break. Thanks for the order. Like I said, guys, breaking live today. Keep sending those orders in. Sanchez rookie, Schaefer rookie, Nola rookie. Rob Kaminsky, 93 out of Bowman's top 100. Matt Reynolds rookie. Olivier rookie. Francisco Lindor. First auto right here, Lucius Fox. Lucius Fox for the San Francisco Giants. Rookie Kyle Schwarber. Jorge Lopez rookie. Rookie Greg Bird, Robertson and Henson. Rookie Luis Cervino. Edwin Diaz, 99 out of Bowman top 100. Rookie Tom Murray, Luke Weaver, Jalen Ortiz. I hope so. Let's get one. Still breaking live, guys. Send those orders in. We got time to do some more live breaks. Trace Thompson rookie. Rookie Carl Edwards Jr. Ryan Howard, purple parallel for the Phillies, 99 to 250. What's up, man? How's it going? Syndergaard. Luis Gonzalez, rookie throwback. Rookie Almonte. Ash Russell, DJ Stewart. No, man. Absolutely not. I didn't have done with the group break, so I can go as late as 4:45, 5 o'clock, man. I got a lot of time. Piscotty rookie. If you want to send an order, go ahead. Rookie Conforto. Rookie Drury. Turn 2, Anthony Alford and Max Pentecost. All right, man. Yeah, I got it. I got you coming up next. Rookie Kepler. Rookie Zach Lee. Victor Robles for the Nats. 75 of 150, Victor Robles. Auto right here for the Yankees, Greg Bird. Greg Bird auto for the New York Yankees, first baseman. Rookie John Gray. Rookie Sanyo. 4 more packs to go. Let's see what we can get. Montes rookie. Lee rookie. Aaron Blair. 3 more packs to go. Henry Owens rookie. All right, 2 more packs to go. We can lose 1 more auto out of here. Mondesi rookie. Raul Mondesi. Anthony Benata out of 250. And Rafael Batista out of 150. 138 of 150, Rafael Batista. Rafael Batista. And last. Yeah. Last package. See if we can get a loan over parallel or something out of here. Seager rookie. Rookie Peter O'Brien, Tucker, and Trent Clark. Yeah, not too bad. We got Bautista auto out of 150. Greg Bird auto. And Lucius Fox. Three autos in this. Fox, Bird, and Bautista. Thanks for the break, man.